Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Grubhub password. If you don't have a Grubhub account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $10 off your order of $15 and above. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Then sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the upper right corner of this page. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your account name. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Account. Under your email, you will see a section for password. Click on the Edit button beside it. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second and third field, enter the new password you wish to use. Once you have entered the required information, click on Update Password. That's how you change your Grubhub password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.